Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So firstly, let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar right here, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And here, after tapping, we've got more options. So 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, 4K and 8K. What is more, for each resolution we can change the frames per second. We've got 30 or 60 frames per second, at least in this option. So basically, all you have to do is to tap on the specific option. I will choose 8K, sorry. And as you can see in this option, we've got only one set of frames per second, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that the resolution changed here. I mean, the icon changed, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.